Now we're ready for our leaves. This is what we're going to do. We're going to do a few of the leaves on skewers, and then after we put the tulips in the pot, I'm going to show you how to do a couple other leaves that aren't on the skewers. Okay, so this is the front, this is the back. It tore just a little bit, but that'll be okay. We can fill it in. Let me just set that down and show you how we're going to do it. So I've got the green that I've colored with that avocado green by Americolor. And again, roll it out into a ball and then kind of roll it into a little bit of a cone shape. Kind of like we were doing for the stem, only keep it a little bit thicker. Okay, and this is going to be a little long, so I can just take some off. Take a skewer again. I'm not taking the pointy part. The pointy part I want to go down into the cake. I'm going to take the thicker part, place some water on it, and insert it right in the center. Okay, now at this point what you want to do is take some cornstarch and place it down, and then take your rolling pin. What we want to do is we want to roll it from the right side of the stick. Let me put it this way so you can see it a little bit better. So the stick is about here. Place it here and roll down, and then on the other side of the stick, here and roll down. And then let's make sure that we can pick this up. It's easier actually if we take a spatula and go underneath it to pick it up. Okay, good. Now we can go ahead and just do it a little bit more. And then I want it to come up just a little bit here. Right there we can see the skewer. So what I want to do is just kind of push the fondant back over there a little bit and smooth it out. Alright, now take a pizza cutter and cut from the base up to a point. Let me cut this a little bit more. There we go. Like so. Alright, want to pick this up again. Like this. Then take this part and just pinch it at the base so it'll stay on the skewer. And then you can go around the edge with your thumb and just kind of pinch the edge to make it a little bit thinner. And then we're going to place it on the foam pad. Okay. I want to take the same stick that we were, or the tool that we were using to make the lines in the tulip, and just to make some lines all the way straight up the leaf. Okay, then take the ball tool, do it this way so you can see a little bit better, and just gently roll down the edge. Very lightly the first time, then you can go back over it a second time. Thinning out that edge just a little bit more and shaping it just a little bit. Okay, now we can take this and we can kind of just, with our thumbs, push in and out, give it a little bit of movement. And the top, we can curl that a little bit. And then you'll just place it in the styrofoam and let it dry. Okay, and then once it's dry, we want to go ahead and dust it. So let me pull this back over here, get the one that's dry, a brush, and I like to use the super green and the avocado green. They're both luster dusts. So take the super green, which is a darker green, and I like to brush it right up the center. And then I like to take the avocado green, put some in the lid, and just go around the edge and brush it inward a little bit.